Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from the App Store. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first, open the App Store on your device. And now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. It might be your photo or just a blank person icon. And next, tap on your name and email at the top of the screen. You'll be asked to authenticate, so just use your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to continue. So once you're in, tap on Manage Payments, and here you'll see all the payment methods linked to your Apple ID. So to remove one, just tap on the payment method you want to delete, like a credit card, and scroll down. Now, tap Remove Payment Method and confirm by tapping Remove again. And that's it. Your card has been removed. If you ever want to add a new payment method, you can return to this page and tap Add Payment Method. Thanks for watching.